Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Today, July 17th, we are covering the top 5 Indian stocks making the biggest moves across banking and financials, IT and technology, FMCG, pharma, auto, one standout name from each sector. Let us break down today's biggest sector movers, one at a time. First up in banking and financials. Kotak Mahindra Bank surged plus 3.77% to 390.70 Indian rupees in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, ICICI, Kotak shares rise up to 3% ahead of Q1 earnings. Nifty Bank gains 500 points. The Economic Times. From a momentum perspective, the next key resistance for Kotak Mahindra Bank sits around $414.14. A sustained break above that level could attract further institutional buying. The main risk to the upside scenario is a shift in macro conditions or central bank tone. This is our analytical view, always do your own research. Moving to IT and technology. TCS climbed plus 2.95% to 2,266 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by TCS begins FY27 with continued growth, wins multiple RE transformation deals, Tata Consultancy Services. North American BFSI IT spending is at an inflection point. Any signal of budget revival from US banks and insurance firms would drive a TCS earnings upgrade cycle. The AI co-pilot and automation deal pipeline is the differentiation story for the current cycle. Moving to FMCG. Hindustan Unilever is up plus 1.98%. Trading at 2,140 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that Wall Street ends lower as chip weakness offsets solid earnings, economic data. The near-term technical picture for Hindustan Unilever looks constructive. Watch the $2,225.60 level as the first meaningful resistance zone. A close above there on decent volume would be an encouraging sign for bulls. As always, this is analytical commentary, not financial advice. Moving to pharma. Dr. Reddy's dipped minus 1.15% to 1,210.30 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that Wall Street ends lower as chip weakness offsets solid earnings, economic data. After today's weakness, the $1,173.99 area is the first meaningful support level to watch for Dr. Reddy's. A stabilization there would be the first sign that sellers are losing conviction. This is our analytical view, not investment advice. Moving to auto. Tata Motors is up plus 1.12%, trading at 335.50 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that Wall Street ends lower as chip weakness offsets solid earnings, economic data. India passenger vehicle market share and EV penetration, particularly Nexon EV, is the domestic growth story. JLR's transition to full BEV by 2030 requires significant capital but positions the brand well. Any update on the next generation JLR platform timeline would be a catalyst. Now let us zoom out to the broader macro picture for Indian markets. The rupee is strengthening against the dollar, trading at 96.27, which matters for import and export-heavy sectors alike. Foreign institutional investor flows remain the key swing factor for Indian equities in the sessions ahead. Here is what we will be watching closely in the days ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Every morning, before markets open, we break down exactly what is moving and why. If you want that edge every day, subscribe and hit the bell icon. If today's analysis was useful, a like is the best way to support the channel. We genuinely appreciate every single one. We read every comment. Drop your view below. Thanks for watching MTRS_Market Pulse. Nothing here constitutes financial advice. Please conduct your own due diligence. Good luck in the markets, and we will see you in the next video. That is today's top 5 Indian stocks from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily sector-wise coverage of Indian and global markets.